Next question, integrate 3x square plus 2x plus 1 dx equals to 11. Limits are 1 to a. So limits are 1 to a. 3x square plus 2x 1 dx. Integration of this they gave equals to 1. You have to find the value of a. So first we will integrate this function. So 3 is constant and x square integration will be x cube by 3 only, because x power n integration will be x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. X power n integration will be x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. That is a power formula. So x square integration will be x cube by 3. So next 2x we have to integrate, so plus 2 like that only, and x power 1, so integration will be 1 plus 1 x power 2, and down also 1 plus 1 2 only, and then plus 1 only left. So plus 1's integration is just x only. So our integration answer we got 3x cube by 3 plus 2x square by 2 plus x, and limits now we have to apply 1 to a, and this thing they have given equal to 11. So 3 got cancelled here, 2 got cancelled here. What is left? X cube plus x square plus x, and limits 1 to a we have to apply equal to 11. So now we will apply the limits. So higher limit is 1 and lower limit is 1. Higher limit is a and lower limit is 1. So instead of x we have to put a for getting the higher limit, minus instead of x we have to put 1 to get the lower limit. So higher limit minus lower limit we have to do now. So x cube means a cube plus x square means a square plus x means plus a. So this is our higher limit. Instead of x we kept a. Now minus lower limit. So lower limit is 1. So instead of x we have to keep now 1. So x cube means 1 cube means 1, plus x square means plus 1 square will be 1, and then plus x is plus 1 only. So now we have to solve, and this all things came equal to 11 only. So a cube plus a square plus a minus 1 plus 1 plus 1, this is 3 minus 3, and 11 also came its out this side. So minus 3 minus 11 will be minus 14. So now our function has become now equation has become a cube plus a square plus a minus 14 equals to 0. Now we have to solve. So since it is cubic equation, we cannot make factorization directly. So for solving cubic equation, we have studied in 9th class. First we have to find the 0 of the equation. So first we will try for 1, then minus 1, then 2, minus 2, like that only, where we are getting 0. So for 1 and minus 1, if you substitute instead of a, we will not get value 0. Then I checked for positive 2. So instead of a, when I kept positive 2, I got 0. So instead of a, see, I'll show you how I got 0. So instead of a, I have to put positive 2. So a cube will be 2 cube will be 8, plus a square will be 2 square will be 4, and plus a will be plus 2 minus 14, like that only. So if you solve, it will become 8 plus 4 12 plus 4 14 minus 14 equals to 0. So we got 0. That means our one of the zeros is 2 only. We substituted instead of a we substituted 2, that only we got 0. So our one of the 0 is 2 only. So now we will do synthetic division to find the other factor. One factor we got, a equal to 2 means a minus 2 will be our one of the factor. See, this is our one of the factor, a minus 2, because a equal to 2 we kept. Now to get the other factor we will do synthetic division. So how to do this a value 2, this 2 we have to keep here in this table, and the coefficient of this equation, that means here one coefficient, here also one coefficient, here also one coefficient, and here is minus 14. So these I wrote here 1 1 1 minus 14. Then always start here always with 0 only. Here always will come 0 only. Then this plus 0, 1 plus 0 is 1 only. This one you have to multiply by 2. So 1 into 2, 2. That 2 you have to write here. Then again 1 plus 2 you have to add. You will get 3. Then 3 into 2, 6. That 6 you have to write here. And then 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 into 2 again. 7 2s are 14. You have to write here. Minus 14 plus 14. You are getting 0. So that if you are getting 0 means you are doing correct only everything. So now what is left? Our coefficients are left 1 3 7 0. So using this coefficient, now we will write the second factor as quadratic form. So this is the coefficient of x square, a square. 1 is the coefficient of a square, so only a square. Then 3 is the coefficient of a, so plus 3a, and then plus 7 will be constant term equal to 0. Okay, these coefficient we have to use to make the quadratic equation in terms of a only. So this is our second factor, a square plus 3a plus 7, and first factor was a minus 2. So since product of these two factors equals to 0, because equation was equals to 0 only, yeah, so we will get the a value from this factor. We will get a value 2 only, and from this factor we have to find. So first check for d is discriminant. First you have to check b square minus 4ac. D is b square minus 4ac. B value is 3, a value is 1, and c value is 7. So b square means 3 square 9 minus 4 into a value is 1, c value is 7. So 9 minus 28. So it is coming lesser than 0. If d is lesser than 0 means there are no real roots. So this factor we have to cancel. Only this factor we have to take. So a minus 2 equals to 0 means a value we got 2. This is our final answer.